పిల్లలు, మే ఐ హెల్ప్ యూ లెసన్కు యాక్టివిటీ 11 చేద్దామా? కాపీ ద ఫాలోయింగ్. ఇక్కడ ఉండేటువంటి వాటికి ఆన్సర్స్ కాపీ రైటింగ్లో రాసేయాలి. హూ మెట్ మాధవ్ ఆన్ ది వే టు స్కూల్? Madhav met an old man on the way to school. Madhav బాగా రాయాలి. మధ్యలోనే క్యాపిటల్ వచ్చినప్పుడు పైకి రావాలి. మాధవ్ మెట్ Madhav met an old man, A-N-N-O-L-D, old man, old man, on the way, O-N-O-T-H-E-D, way. Way to school. To school. S-A-H-O-L. School. Next. How was the road? How was the road? The road was busy. The T-H-E-D. Road. R-O-A-D, road. Was, W-A-S, was. Busy, B-U-S-Y, busy, Y. Busy with vehicles, W-I-T-H, with vehicles, V-H-I-C-L-E-S. The road was T-H-E-D, road, R-O-A-D, road was the road was busy, B-U-S-Y, busy, with vehicles, W-I-T-H, with vehicles, V-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. Madhav. What did Madhav ask the old man? Madhav asked the old man, may I help you? Madhav, M capital, M-A, D-H-A-P, Madhav asked, A-S-K-D, asked the old man, T-H-E-D, old, O-L-D, old man, M-A-N, man. May I help you? Help you. I help you. Madhav M-A-T-H-A-V, Madhav asked, A-S-K-D, asked the old man the old man, old man, old man. May I help you? M-A-Y, may I, capital, help, H-E-L-P, U-Y-O-U. Next exercise. How did mother help the old man? How did mother help the old man? Mother helped. M-A-D-H, mother helped. H-E-L-P-D, helped the old man. T-H-E-D, O-L-D, old man, to cross the road. C-R-O-S-S, cross the road. R-O-A-D, road. On the zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra lines, L-I-N-E-S, lines. Next, mother helped. M-A-D-H-A-V, mother helped. H-E-L-P-E-D, helped the old man. The O-L-D, old man, to cross. C-R-O-S-S, cross. Cross the road. Road, R-O-A-D, road. The road on the zebra lines. On the zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra lines, L-I-N-E-S, lines. Next exercise, see. Code words. Activity 12. Use the code to frame the words and write the words in the space. Star, yes. Heart, A. Zero, E. Arrow, I. Tick, H, right. Number 1. Imran, yes. H, E. She, yes. H, E. S-H, she. Next, the arrow, I. I T. I T it. Next T H E Y they. T H E Y there. T H E Y there. Next T H E he. Yes, are you right, all of you? Yes. Look here, next activity. Activity 13. Color it. Blue, red, brown, green. These colors are colored. First one blue. One. Where is one? One blue. Blue. Next red. Two. Red. Two. Red. Red. Next 3 brown. 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 Next 4 green. Green. Yes, over. Color the fan. Colored the fan.